10 jobs that AI will replace in the future. Data entry. AI can process large amounts of data and enter it into systems accurately without the need for human intervention. Routine customer service tasks. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more popular and can handle simple customer service tasks like answering frequently asked questions. Manual labor. Robots and automated machines are already replacing human workers in manufacturing and other industrial processes. Driver jobs. With the rise of self-driving cars, taxi drivers, truck drivers, and delivery drivers may see a reduction in demand. Accounting and bookkeeping. 1. AI can perform tasks such as categorizing expenses, creating invoices, and generating financial reports. Basic healthcare tasks. AI-powered tools can perform tasks such as taking vitals, analyzing medical images, and providing insights for diagnoses. Telemarketing. AI can make thousands of calls a day and identify potential leads, reducing the need for human telemarketers. Legal work. AI can analyze documents and gather evidence, reducing the need for paralegals and legal assistants. Financial advising. AI-powered robo-advisors can provide investment advice, automate trading, and make investment decisions. Writing and journalism. AI can generate articles and reports, reducing the need for human writers in some cases.